Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have Fanttik. It's an electric precision screwdriver kit. So this thing is pretty cool. So if you have little electronic devices that you're always working on like I am, this will definitely come in handy. You charge a screwdriver right here. It does come with a USB charging cable, but doesn't come like with a power adapter, but you can plug into anything like a cell phone charger, laptop, desktop, whatever you have going on. Cool thing, you hit this and then that basically opens that up. That's your screwdriver, and then this is all your electronic tips that are in here. So for any size thing that you have going on, and I mean it is almost endless. It rotates around like that. That is absolutely awesome. So let's get a tip out like this. Stands up out of the way. You put your tip in, and then you turn the end of your screwdriver, and that'll give you the power button that you have, power selection. So that's all the way up. And then if you have an electronic device and it has like those small screws that are always annoying to find the right device for it, this has enough torque to get that out. And let's put that back in. And it has a magnetic tip on it as well, which is great. So you can kind of put that in, put that sideways, and then we can put that right down, and you can see how much torque that has. And it's deep enough that you can get even those little stubborn screws that are way down in those deep wells. And that one's not gonna come out too easy. Okay, there we go. So even those stubborn screws it can get. And then again, just sit it back into the tip. It is magnetic. Go down into that deep well. And then again, and that's how much torque it has. Basically twist it right out of my hand. But absolutely awesome. Then you take the tip out. You put it into your tool storage. And again, I mean, look how many tips that like crazy. Okay, so that is your little foam cover. It's more for transport than anything else. You don't need that in there all the time, but if you're like me, you want something that will hold well into your tool bag, and then that just goes in there and it fits, and then everything is nice and held into place until you are ready to use that again. Absolutely awesome. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.